We're joined by Miriam Steele, a partner in the intellectual property team at Allens in Sydney. Miriam, welcome back to BRR Media.
Thanks, Kate.
Now, Miriam, the federal court has recently found a Facebook user's post to be misleading and deceptive in relation to claims the posts made about a competitor's swim line. Very briefly, what happened?
Yes, well, proceedings had been commenced by Seafolly about posts which had been published by the designer of one of its competitors, which basically alleged that Seafolly had copied her designs and had engaged in bullying tactics. And the federal court found that the designer had engaged in misleading and deceptive conduct. It awarded damages of $25,000 to Seafolly and also granted injunctions restraining her from repeating the allegations.
Well, what should businesses be taking from this decision?
I think businesses need to be really careful to know what their employees are posting on Facebook and other social media platforms if they want to avoid being sued. It's interesting in this case, some of the posts only appeared on the designer's personal Facebook page, which was only accessible to her Facebook friends. But the court found that because it was published on the internet and because it related to a competitor, it still fell within the scope of the Trade Practices Act.
And just finally, Miriam, what should businesses be doing to manage the various social media risks?
I think there's really two aspects to this. On the one hand, as I indicated, they need to know what their employees are posting because they need to be able to move quickly if they become aware of any concerning content. Obviously, the quicker that content's taken down, the more limited the damages that they may be exposed to will be. And similarly, I think they need to be monitoring what their competitors are saying because if they become aware of any content that's being posted that's damaging to their business, to their reputation, or in some other ways infringing their legal rights, they need to be able to act to prevent that.
Some good tips for business. Thank you so much for joining us.
Thanks very much.